Last year, 10 coins bought you a full basket of carrots in the rabbit jungle. This year, same 10 coins, half the carrots. Your money didn't disappear. It just buys less. Welcome to inflation, where prices climb fast and Rabbit Wallet feels lighter every day. Every rabbit in the jungle is asking the exact same question. Why does everything cost more? The answer lives in a simple dance between carrots and coins. And once you see it, the whole economy clicks. That dance has three main players. First, carrot supply. How many actual carrots grow in the jungle each growing season? Second, carrot demand. How many rabbits want to buy those carrots with their own hard-earned coins? Third, purchasing power. How many carrots each coin can actually grab at the market? When supply meets demand perfectly, prices stay stable and life in the jungle is smooth. But when the jungle tips out of balance, too many coins chasing too few carrots, chaos kicks in. Prices rocket, coins lose their punch, and every rabbit feels the squeeze. So what actually tips the balance? Here's where things spiral. Imagine the Great Burrow, the central bank of the jungle, prints a massive flood of extra coins to help unemployed rabbits buy food and keep the economy moving. Noble idea, right? But here's the catch. The actual carrot harvest stays completely flat. Now you have way more coins chasing the exact same pile of carrots. Vendors spot rabbits with fatter wallets, so they confidently raise prices. Rabbits suddenly can't afford groceries on their old wages, so they march in and demand pay raises. Vendors see labor costs jump, so they hike prices even higher. It's a vicious loop. Demand pull inflation meets cost push inflation, and they fuel each other. The brutal truth? Real goods grow slowly, but paper money can multiply overnight. This hits Rabbit's life hard. Rabbit's paycheck climbs 3% this year, but groceries jump 7%. Math check, the rabbit is actually poorer. Rabbit's savings account? Losing buying power every month it sits there. Rent, gas, coffee, streaming subscriptions, all creeping up. Inflation is a silent tax on everyone holding cash. But here's the nuance. Not every price spike is true inflation. A drought slashes the carrot harvest, that's scarcity, a supply shock. A tunnel shuts down and carrot crates double in price, that's a supply chain snarl, not monetary inflation. Real inflation happens when too much money floods the system, pushing all prices up together. One product jumps, could be anything. Everything jumps. That's inflation. So what can the jungle do? The Great Burrow faces a brutal trade-off. Tighten the money supply to cool prices versus keep printing to protect jobs. No pain-free fix exists. The takeaway? Inflation equals too much money chasing too few goods. Once you see that, all headlines click. Drop your craziest inflation story in the comments. What doubled in price on you? Subscribe for the next jungle economy adventure.